Hey, what's up everybody? I am Jason and you're watching my channel, Micro Investor, the channel where I pretty much talk about whatever stocks that I want to talk about. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the electric vehicle car market. If you don't know, China is the largest market for electric vehicles. And if you follow my channel, you would know that as far as the Chinese electric vehicle stocks go, I am invested into BYD, which is 10% owned by Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway. That company was originally just a battery manufacturer, and then they went into making electric vehicles. And the other Chinese electric vehicle stock that I'm invested into is NIO. They are compared to being the Tesla of China. And the reasons for that is some of the large investors of Tesla are actually also invested into NIO. That is Bailey Gifford, that is the second largest shareholder of Tesla, is also 10%, no, actually 11% owner of NIO. And also like Tencent, who has a large position into Tesla, has a very large position into NIO as well. So with large names like Berkshire Hathaway and Bailey Gifford backing those electric vehicle companies, it's a no-brainer why those stocks are so popular here in the United States. But what you probably don't know is that China actually has about 500 electric vehicle companies. Yes, 500 electric vehicle companies. It actually seems like there's a new electric vehicle company starting up in China every week right now. And with all this competition in China, Tesla will also be a big competitor in China, as they will be manufacturing vehicles in China within the next year. And these are vehicles that will be produced in China and sold in China. At the moment, they're actually importing their vehicles. So the cost with tariffs and everything, the cost of a Tesla in China is much more expensive than they are here in the United States, obviously. But in 2018, China sold around 1 million electric vehicles, and 20% of those were actually sold by BYD. So in comparison to the size of population of China, they definitely do have a lot of room to grow. The big reason why there is such a large demand for electric vehicles right now is that the Chinese government is offering an incentive to buy electric vehicles, much like what we were doing here in the United States. But they actually have fines for cars that are producing high emissions. So it's actually worthwhile for them to actually start manufacturing electric vehicles there. Now I see the market in China becoming very saturated. Obviously, if they keep they keep growing companies that are going to be producing electric vehicles, I see it becoming very saturated. But at the same time, I highly doubt that very few of these companies will actually even ever produce a vehicle. So when we think about China having 500 electric vehicle companies, and here in the United States, there's like 12 companies that pretty much make up the entire car market, and only 3 of those companies are United States owned. General Motors, Ford, and Tesla. They are the 3 largest United States owned companies that produce automobiles, and everything else is, you know, European and Asian companies. But there are some new electric vehicle companies coming up in the game here in the United States, but they don't have any cars for sale. That is Arcimoto, which is a company that I recently just added to my portfolio, ticker symbol FUV. And there is Rivian, who has, you know, spent hundreds of millions of dollars into producing their electric vehicles, and they don't have anything even on the market yet. So I don't think we're going to see anything like China has, but we're definitely starting to get new car companies coming into the game right now here in the United States too. So I am interested in hearing what people have to say about electric vehicles in general, and definitely about the Chinese electric vehicle market. If you know of anything that you'd recommend looking into, please write in the comments section. And as always, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thanks for watching, everybody.